After spending time with both Airtable and Notion, I want to share my honest comparison based on real use, not sponsorships. Both tools aim to solve the same problem, which is why so many people struggle to choose between them. We'll look at their strengths, weaknesses, and who each one is best suited for. By the end, you should be able to decide which tool is right for you. Both Airtable and Notion help users organize information, manage projects, and structure workflows in a flexible, database-driven way. The core question is simple. Do you need a structured database-first tool or a more flexible, all-in-one workspace? Let's go through the key areas side by side. Starting with ease of use. Airtable's spreadsheet-style interface feels familiar to Excel users, but understanding tables, fields, and relationships can feel technical at first. Notion is more intuitive out of the box. Drag-and-drop blocks make it easy to start quickly, though its databases can get confusing as complexity grows. On database power, Airtable leads clearly. It offers strong relational database capabilities, advanced field types, formulas, and automations. Notion integrates databases directly into documents and offers flexible linked views, but lacks advanced database logic and can slow down with large datasets. For customization, Airtable provides strong back-end control through custom fields and automations. Notion offers highly flexible page design, combining text, media, and databases freely, but its customization is more visual than technical. On collaboration, Airtable supports role-based permissions and structured team workflows, making it well-suited for operational processes. Notion excels at real-time document collaboration and is ideal for internal wikis, though its permission structure is simpler at advanced levels. On pricing, Airtable can get expensive as record limits and automation needs grow. Notion offers a generous free tier and scales more affordably for content-heavy teams. Notion is the better fit if you're managing personal tasks, building documentation hubs, or need to combine writing, tasks, and lightweight databases in one flexible space. Small teams with simple workflows will generally find it sufficient. Airtable is the better fit if you're managing complex workflows, building CRM systems, inventory tools, or operations dashboards, and are comfortable designing database logic. Neither tool is better in absolute terms. Let me know in the comments which one works for you and why.